Alright guys, I don't know how many videos this is going to take, because I'm looking at 58 packs, but I'm going to do my best here. I'll mail out all the hits, but the inserts and stuff, we'll either add them to the store or something with them. All base. All base. I guess in 2007 they never had tons of inserts like they do now. Yep. Isaiah Standback. Auto. Base. Trying to be quiet so the kids don't come harass me. Chad Johnson, numbered to 1,000. Chris Davis, roll call, numbered to 1,000. And Kenyatta Dawson. Okay. I took a shot in the dark on these. You never know. Base. Kind of interesting to see. Vince Young. J.P. Lossman, he sucked. Alright, Dwayne Jarrett, numbered to 250. Reggie Bush, Pudge if you need it, I'll put it in this shirt package. Garrett Wolf, Greg Olson, draft class, numbered to 250. I only have 250 on the video, so we'll see. Drew Brees, Palmer. Yeah, it's pretty boring. Peyton Manning. Now I know why I stick to Leaf Limited. Joe Horn. Yep. Joey Harrington. Nope. Who's this? Eric Weddle. Could be worse, I guess. I don't think nobody took the Chargers, so we'll figure out what to do with it. I don't know about SPs in this set. So if anything that sells for a decent amount, maybe we'll just sell it and put it towards the next one. There should be one more auto in here. Yep. 4 more. All base. Patrick Willis, number 2,000. 2 more. Roethlisberger. It really sucked to get shorter to hit from 2007. Clifton Dawson. I guess it's kind of like getting shorted. Bengals. Alright. I'm going to do the certified so I can try to get the 2 boxes in one video. Bam. Alright. Pack 1. This is either decoy or redemption. Decoy. Oh, wait. Immortals, Ed McCaffrey. Numbered to 999. Ladarius Green, New Generation Auto. Numbered to 350. Jack Lambert Immortals, number to 250. Let's see. Ronnie Lott, jersey, numbered to 199. And Jared Crick, rookie, numbered to 999. I still think limited's better for the money, but I want to try something different. Ruben Randall, jersey. Sorry, I didn't realize how close my hands were. 4 more packs. Doug Baldwin, mirror red, numbered to 250. Whitney Merciless auto, numbered 11 of 250. Well, that sucked. Dontre Poe, rookie. Who cares what it's numbered to? And Shea McClellan, blue, number 2/100. Well, that was pretty shitty. I'm going to make a new video for the Prestige because it's 24 packs.